So, guys, I just applied this about 5 minutes ago. Pretty simple, clean surface, obviously. Shake well, squeeze on the microfiber cloth. I used that little applicator thing there. Be careful with this because it is a slippery product. So if you decide to use this on tires, be extremely careful. But yeah, you wait 5 minutes, use a microfiber to wipe away the excess product, apply additional coats if necessary. If you get it on your paint or any other painted surface, you have a 1 hour window to take it off. So if you get called to do something real quick, you can go take care of it and then come back and wipe it off. So now we're gonna just take a look. This is what it's like when you put it on, and this is just one coat. So it says after 5 minutes, you wipe off the excess. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, we get our towel and our surface that's been sitting here for 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. This thing was completely dehydrated, just so you guys know. So we're just gonna see, look at that. It is coming right up. See, I'm being gentle with it because, one, my spoiler is very loose. Two, I don't want to get any more on the paint. If you have a backup camera with your duckbill that's not painted, just, make sure you go back and wipe that off. And there you go. That's what happens when you wipe off the excess. This is the nice wet look you get. I did try beforehand with the Meguiar's ceramic trim restore, but I guess because this is a different type of trimming, it doesn't quite work well with that. Now for the trimming on my Jeep, the Meguiar's worked phenomenally, which that's still in testing. This, however, I hope it stays on. I really do. So I guess we'll see how it holds up. Supposed to be getting some rain sometime soon, and we're really curious on how that's gonna hold up to the Oregon rain. And this is what I was talking about. If you got this stuff on your camera, so make sure you wipe that off real quick. Okay, well, we'll be back in another video to see how it holds up and see how water beads on it.